Alright guys, you're welcome to my channel once again. So real quick, in this video we'll be discussing about Assemble protocol price prediction. We'll be giving a realistic price prediction, not just an exaggerated price prediction. We'll be giving a realistic price prediction for Assemble protocol in this bull run. We'll also be giving a very short price prediction for the immediate short term, and we'll be giving the news update on the Assemble protocol project. There's new news that just dropped today, and also we'll be running technical analysis on the chart. We'll be heading to the chart to run some technical analysis. We did some technical analysis in the previous video, so you can go watch the video out for yourself and then confirm it with today's chart. Okay, so we're still currently bullish on Assemble protocol. As you can see, the daily time frame for technical analysis is showing a buy. That is a lot of people are buying Assemble protocol in the last 24 hours compared to that is those buying are more than those selling, so which is a welcome development. So looking at the weekly is also showing neutral, and yeah, so we're still bullish, like seriously. And Assemble protocol, let's just head straight to coin market cap before visiting the chart. So Assemble protocol has been down, ASM has been down 7%, -7% in the last 24 hours, and we're currently trading at around 0.16 cent, that is 16 cent, and we're ranked number 444 on the coin market cap ranking, which doesn't really matter. What matters is how solid the project is. And looking at the watch list right now, we just added 400 new investors to our watch list, which is a welcome development. And okay, in the previous video I made about Assemble protocol, we did some price prediction there, and as at that time we're at 7,000 watch lists. So guys, we just successfully added 400 new members, 400 new family to the Assemble family. So feel free to share this video to your Facebook page, Facebook group, Telegram subreddit group, and the rest, Telegram community, Twitter page, so that we can get more coverage, and we can also in turn get more exposure. And as you already know, okay, let's just talk about the price yet. So the market cap is currently sitting at $110 million, and it has been down 8% in the last 24 hours. And looking at the volume has been up 2% in the last 24 hours, which is a welcome development. And still on the circulating supply, our circulating supply is verified, and is 50% of the total supply, which is 680 million ASM token in circulation. So looking at the circulating supply right now, which is 680 million ASM token, I see Assemble protocol heading to $8, like from where it is right now. The current price right now is $16. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but it's very, very possible considering the market cap and also the circulating supply. So if Assemble protocol should head to $8 from where it is right now, we should be expecting a market cap of 5.4 billion US dollars, which is very, very realistic. Our market cap is currently below 120 million US dollars. So by the time Assemble protocol get to $8, we should expect a market cap of 5.4 billion US dollars, which is very, very possible, because a lot of those meme coin without utility, with no utility, are making huge market cap. So talk more of a solid project like Assemble protocol. It can easily even exceed that $5.4 billion market cap, but I'm just trying to be realistic in the immediate short term. And that should be a 46x. Yeah, that should be a 46x. That is 4,600% pump. Okay, so it's a welcome development, and it's very, very possible. With time, we'll get to that point soon. So the community aspect matters a lot. Like, our teamwork make the dream work, you understand? So we all need to put hands together to push Assemble protocol to a higher height. The team behind the project are really working their ass off, like seriously. They are working tirelessly round the clock to make sure things are in order. And as you guys already know, we got listed on what am I saying, man? As you guys already know, we got listed on what's it called, Coinbase on the 21st of October. 2021, which is a welcome development, and hopefully we should get listed on Binance soon. The reason why I am very sure we're going to get listed on Binance in no time is in an interview held on the 28th of October 2021 with Fireant Crypto. So Fireant is for some of you that don't know about Fireant, Fireant is an open source blockchain project with a ticker symbol of ANTSA, and the coin is their native token. So in the interview, Assemble CEO Park Kuldel, sorry if I pronounce this wrong, disclosed how they are working tirelessly to be listed on major global exchange and secure even more global users. Okay, so like I said earlier, they got listed on Binance, on Coinbase 21st of October 2021, which gave Assemble Protocol more exposure to a wider audience and investors. So just imagine the exposure it will get when, by God's grace, eventually it get listed on Binance. Like, let's just leave it there. Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. So in that interview, the Assemble CEO said they plan to ensure liquidity so that the new users from all over the world can flow in anytime, anywhere. So they recently announced in an article they posted today on their Twitter page, and I will leave the link to the article in the description of this video. So in that article, they plan to add liquidity pool to decentralized exchange DEX such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap. They aim to make the Assemble more accessible to global users in the future. So there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of news. They are working tirelessly behind the scene. We pray for more grace. Okay, so as for some of you that already know, Assemble Protocol plans to dive into the NFT space, and considering the interview they had few days ago, on the 28th of October, right, to be precise, and the CEO said something that they plan to dive into the NFT space. That will they will have to decide to work with Club Pass, a major partner of Assemble Protocol. So the CEO said, and I quote, "We plan to update the Assemble platform so that it is possible to develop, trade, and utilize NFT items in collaboration with DJs who are cooperating with the Club Pass." So as you guys already know, the NFT space in the crypto space cannot be overlooked. Like, it's a hot cake right now. Like, it's on fire, like, seriously. So NFT marketplace in the crypto space is something else. Like, recently an NFT sold for 530 something million US dollars, right, if I'm not mistaken. That's massive, like, seriously. Okay, so let's just head straight to the chat. We've discussed a lot. Let's head straight to the chat and see what's up. So looking at the chart right now, guys, we're currently trading sideways, which is not something we should in kind of panic about. Temporal consolidation is necessary for it's necessary for the asset to gain more momentum for upward movement. So we drew this ascending triangle few days back in the analysis we did. You can go check the video out on my channel. We drew this ascending triangle, and all these resistance and support were also drawn before then. So we're like I think as at then, Assemble was trading at around this area. So we're like, if Assemble is able to trade and break above the ascending triangle, and also if it's able to close few candles above this area of resistance, which is 19 cents, then we should see Assemble heading to the next area of resistance, which is 20 cents. But unfortunately, we broke through the ascending triangle. As you can see, we broke through the ascending triangle and also broke through the area of resistance we were targeting then, which is 18 cents. And as at then, Assemble Protocol ASM was trading at around 16 cents, right, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 16 cents. thereabout, if I'm not mistaken. So, and here's the thing: we broke through the, what's it called, ascending triangle, and also broke through the 18 cent resistance zone, but when able to hold some few candles. We're unable to close few candles above the resistance zone, which is 18 cents. So we got rejected from that area, and we headed back to what's it called, 17 cent, which is another area of support, which also acted as an area of resistance few days ago. So unfortunately we got rejected from that area of what's it called, support, which is 17 cent, and we headed downward. As you can see, our what's it called, Fibonacci retracement corresponded with the area of support we found around the 16 cent. Our what's it called, Fibonacci extension is showing almost the same price. It's showing 0.7, that is with a price of 0.159, and for the support we drew there, the support we found was 0.60. So it's almost the same, it's just very slightly different. Like, looking at the chart right now, you will notice we're almost what the Fibonacci retracement area is saying is almost corresponding with what we drew, with the support area we drew. And also looking at the resistance area, this is one of the major resistance area, which is 19 cents. We've got rejected from there few days ago. So hopefully we should head back to the resistance area soon. So if we're able to close few candles above this major resistance area, which is 19 cents, then assemble ASM should be heading to 20 cents. And if it's able to close successfully few candles above the 20 cents, believe me, ASM will be going parabolic. Like, the next resistance zone is going to be 21 cents, which also is very close to the 21 cent, which also is very close to what the Fibonacci extension resistance area is telling us. Okay, so looking at this resistance, which is the $19, look at it, 19 cents. You will notice the 19 cent corresponded with what the Fibonacci retracement extension, also retracement zone is telling us, which is somehow acting as a resistance right now. It's telling us we're also having a major resistance, which is 0.1958, and the one we drew is saying 0.1959. so we're almost saying the same thing with what the Fibonacci retracement detected. So I think this is a perfect Fibonacci retracement. Let me just zoom it out so that you can view it well and then know how to trade. So as you can see, we are currently consolidating around this area of 17 cent and then 16 cent. So whatever happens, we should hopefully expect Assemble to break out of this 17 cent and then head towards 18 cent, which is 0.1859 zone. So if we're able to close few candles above that, believe me, we should be breaking the 19 cent this time around with a very, very huge momentum. So as you can see, there's nothing to be afraid of. You don't have to be afraid because our volume, trading volume, is not that high. Like the selling pressure is not high, as you can see. So there's nothing to panic about. The selling pressure is low. So that's a welcome development. The volume, selling volume, trading volume is low, and yeah. So we're consolidating for a while now, and hopefully we should witness a pump soon. Yeah. So that will be all for this video. My name is Isaac. Please, in case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. I really appreciate your love and support. For those that have subscribed already, I really appreciate your love and support. As always, peace out.